Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Carly and I'm so happy that you're here. So in today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you my favorite apps, the way I organize my phone, and just some tricks when you're online shopping. So I hope you guys like this video and be sure to give it a thumbs up and to hit the subscribe button below. Hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I post videos 2 times a week and let's get into it. So the first app on my phone that I want to show you guys is called Unroll, and it's an email unsubscription app where it makes it super easy to unsubscribe from a lot of emails in a short amount of time. So it's kind of like Tinder for emails, you could think. So you swipe left and it unsubscribes, you swipe right and it keeps you subscribed to the email, and then if you swipe up it just leaves it as it is. So I'm gonna do a screen recording and I'll show you guys exactly what I do. So this is one of my orders that I just made, so I'm actually going to keep this one, so I swipe right, and then I'm going to keep this email from Little Unicorn, and then I'm going to unsubscribe from this email. It's just like a purchase. I'm going to unsubscribe from Spotify, and I'm going to unsubscribe from this Stat Counter, and I don't go to the U, and I'm going to unsubscribe from this. So here you can see I've unsubscribed from 19 emails and I've kept 4, and this is just one of my email addresses that I have connected to this app. Like I have 4 different emails. I have like a personal, a work one for junk. I don't know, it just helps me stay organized. So this is just, I couldn't even show you guys my main email because I've already unsubscribed from everything, but I have unsubscribed from like 130 emails and then I've kept 7. So that's a really great way to unsubscribe, and who wants junk emails in their inbox? Definitely not me. The next app on my phone that I love is called Poshmark. So I'm sure a lot of you have heard about it. It's an app where you just go on, you sell your clothes, and you can just take a couple pictures, write a description, write the price, and then once you sell an item, Poshmark does take 20%. I believe it's 20%, I could be wrong. But they take 20% of your purchase, and then the person who buys it pays for the shipping. You get a shipping label sent to your email, and then all you have to do is stick it on a packet, like stick it on a box or an envelope or whatever you're going to send your clothing item to, and then you just take it to the USPS and you just drop it there, and it takes like 2 minutes. It's super easy. So Poshmark, and let me show you guys. Here's my closet. I'm not gonna do a screen recording for this, but I just have so many like items on here. I've sold so much stuff, so all of this stuff is sold. I think I've made like, I don't even know how much I've made. I've made quite a bit of money off of it, but it's just a great way to get some extra cash on the side if you need, like if you want to buy something or you want to buy some new spring clothes. I would totally recommend selling old clothes that you don't wear or that don't fit you anymore or that don't bring you joy, and sell some stuff on Poshmark. Okay, so I just want to show you guys how I organize my phone. So I like to organize it rainbow, which as you can kind of see, and I'll put the phone in the side there, but in the upper left hand corner here I do all my rainbow colored apps, and then I go like red to orange to yellow to green to blue to purple to white, gray, then black. So that's just the way I've done it. I have so many blue apps, as you can see. I have 3 full things of them, and then yeah, I probably have like way more apps than I need, but I think the rainbow looks really cute and it keeps me very, I don't know, organized, and I just like the way it makes my phone feel. The next thing I want to show you guys is Ebates. So Ebates is an app or an extension on your laptop. Mine is up here in my right hand corner, if you can see my mouse. And so what you do is you go to a website. Well, first you have to install Ebates, and I'll leave a link down below. But Ebates gives you cash back on any site that it's like enabled with. So there's some sites that give like 10% cash back for any purchase. There's sites that give 1%, and it just depends. So I am gonna do Shopbop. So I'm gonna just click on the link, and then you'll see right here in this upper hand corner this little red E. And then what you do, sorry that you can see the lights from it's kind of funny, but you just click on activate 2% cash back, and then it takes you to this page. It says 2% cash back active, and then now whatever I buy, I'm gonna get 2% cash back on my purchase. So it's just like this amazing way to shop, and it's not a ton of money, but you can definitely make some, I mean, if you shop a lot, you definitely get some good money back, but I just think it's a really great way to get some extra cash. So I'll leave the link for this down below. It's free. All you have to do is like give your email and your first and last name and then your PayPal account, I believe, and that's how they pay you, and they only pay every couple months, but it's like a really great way to just get some cash, and it's super easy. All you have to do is, like, anytime Ebates is on a site, you just click the button and then you press enable, and then it will tell you the percentage of cash back you're gonna get, and it's like so awesome and so easy. My next favorite app on my computer to make my life easier is LastPass. So I'm not gonna show you my screen just because it's, I don't know, passwords and stuff, but all you do is you create a master password and you create an account with LastPass, and it saves all of your passwords, and it can even create new passwords for you. So it's really great if you're the kind of person who forgets passwords or who needs help creating passwords. So, and I also have it on my phone, so anytime I forget a password on my phone and I need it, I don't have to go to my laptop to get it. I can just log in on my phone and all my passwords are there, and they're all on my computer. But just make sure that you don't forget the master password or you'll forget all your passwords. But it's really nice. So it's an extension, and so if you create a new account, it will say LastPass wants to save this password, and you just say yes, and then it saves that password. So anytime you go to that website, it will autofill your username and password. Last but not least, I love the extension Honey. So Honey is, I use it on my laptop, and you just enable it so it will flash if there's a code. It's the same kind of thing, so it's an extension like the Ebates one in the upper right hand corner, and it will flash if there's any codes, and then it once you press like get code or whatever, it automatically fills in the codes to see if you can save any cash. And it just makes it really great when you're shopping, because some people have already put codes in there. A lot of times companies have like sign up for our email and we'll give you 15% off, but if you use Honey, you don't even have to sign up for the email and you could get the code for the 15% off. So it's just a really great way to save some extra cash as well. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys next time.